In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a test order Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to safely run through your checkout without charging a real card, so you can confirm everything looks and feels right before you start taking live orders. Start by opening the Shopify website and heading to your store's admin dashboard. From there, look to the lower left corner and click Settings. This is where you control how your store behaves behind the scenes. Once you're in Settings, select Payments. This page manages which payment methods your customers can use at checkout. On the Payments page, look for the option to choose a provider. Click that. You'll see a list of available payment providers, including a special testing option called Bogus Gateway. This is Shopify's built-in test payment method. It lets you simulate payments without processing real money, which makes it perfect for checking that your checkout works end to end. Select Bogus Gateway, then activate it. After activation, your store will temporarily route payments through this test gateway and no real charges will occur. With the Bogus Gateway active, go to your online store just like a customer would. Browse your products, add a few items to the cart, and proceed to checkout. This is your chance to verify the flow, the cart updates, shipping options, taxes, discounts, and the overall checkout experience. Because you're using the test payment provider, you can complete the order without entering an actual credit card and no funds will be captured. You'll still see an order appear in your admin, which is useful for confirming the order confirmation emails send correctly and that the order timeline looks accurate. As you go through this test order, pay close attention to the details that matter to your customers. Check product names, variants, prices, and totals. Make sure your shipping methods and estimated costs make sense, and that your policies and contact information are easy to find. If you use automatic emails, confirm that the subject lines, branding, and content match your store's tone and clearly explain the next steps. Since this is a test, don't fulfill or ship the order. Treat it purely as a rehearsal. When your checkout looks good and everything behaves as expected with the Bogus Gateway, you're in great shape to take real payments. That's the complete process for running a safe, controlled test order in Shopify using the built-in test gateway. Now you can confidently launch knowing your customers will have a smooth checkout experience from cart to confirmation.